Cymbal Aerospace, a manufacturer of critical jet engine components, faced a challenge. Their vast library of 3D CAD models held a wealth of vital information, but accessing it was a time-consuming and inefficient process. Let's explore how they leveraged generative AI on Vertex AI to overcome this obstacle and transform their operations. Cymbal Aerospace faced a challenge similar to many manufacturers. Extracting critical information from complex 3D CAD models was a tedious and error-prone process. Engineers struggled to quickly access details like material composition, dimensions, and stress points, hindering their ability to efficiently design, analyze, and manufacture components. This manual and time-consuming workflow hindered their efficiency and increased the risk of errors. To overcome this challenge, Cymbal Aerospace decided to build a custom Gen AI solution that could analyze 3D CAD models to automatically generate concise summaries or answer questions. They did this by using a two-layered approach, combining the power of AutoML and Gemini within Vertex AI. First, they leveraged AutoML, which streamlined the process of training a machine learning model capable of extracting key metadata from the CAD files. This eliminated the need for deep machine learning expertise, allowing Cymbal Aerospace to quickly build a powerful and specialized model tailored to their specific needs. This custom AutoML model acted as an intelligent interpreter, capable of understanding the intricacies of the CAD files and identifying critical information such as material composition, dimensions, and tolerances. To further enhance the usability of this information, they integrated Gemini within Vertex AI using MLOps tools like Vertex AI pipelines. Vertex AI pipelines lets you automate, monitor, and govern your machine learning systems in a serverless manner by using ML pipelines to orchestrate your ML workflows. And Gemini transformed the raw metadata extracted by the AutoML model into clear, concise, and insightful summaries in natural language. This allowed engineers to easily understand and interpret the information, facilitating faster and more informed decision-making. For example, an engineer could ask the system, "What is the tensile strength of the turbine blade?" and receive an immediate, understandable, and accurate answer extracted from the complex CAD file. By using Vertex AI, Cymbal Aerospace was able to simplify model development. Vertex AI's AutoML handles the complexities of model training, making it easy for the company to build a high-performing model without needing deep machine learning expertise. Customized solutions. The company was able to train a model tailored to their specific needs and data, ensuring accurate and relevant summaries. Scale efficiently. Vertex AI provides the infrastructure to deploy and scale the generative AI model, enabling the company to process large volumes of CAD files quickly and efficiently. And streamlined deployment. The company easily deployed its models using a serverless infrastructure. Vertex AI handled key machine learning operations, such as scaling and infrastructure management, which allowed the company's employees to focus on model and application development. With the generative AI solution deployed on Vertex AI, Cymbal Aerospace experienced significant improvements. Product development cycles accelerated by 15%. Design review times were reduced by 20%. And manufacturing planning bottlenecks were eliminated. This faster time to market allowed them to respond more rapidly to customer demands and introduce innovative products ahead of their competitors. Cymbal Aerospace is using generative AI to transform their manufacturing process. By using Vertex AI, companies can unlock the power of generative AI to streamline workflows, improve decision-making, and drive innovation. Think about your own workflows. How can generative AI on Vertex AI help you augment your processes and gain a competitive edge?